What's up, everybody? This is the Average Model Guy bringing you the Soviet MI-24 HInd helicopter. Took the inspiration for this from Red Dawn. If you guys haven't seen that movie, it's a pretty good movie. This is a Zvezda model. It's a 1/72nd scale. Like I said, Soviet MI-24 HInd helicopter. So we'll go ahead and get it unboxed and we'll check out what we're looking at here. I wanted to show you guys what I got here today at my local hobby shop. This is the Air War color series that Model Air comes out with. This is perfect for this model. I mean, it's got several variations of the hinds, not necessarily the MI-24, but I think I might choose one of these color schemes for it. Probably this one here is what we're looking to do, but you never know, I might change my mind. But it comes with every one of these colors down here to make any one of those camouflage schemes for this helicopter. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I think that's a pretty good deal there. You know, it's $25.99 for 8. Usually these are between $3 and $4 a piece, so I think I got a pretty good deal on these. So hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing some more videos on here. Trying to put out some more models. We're going to get this Hind, start putting this one together, get some videos up on it. And yeah, look forward to seeing you guys down in the comments field. And we'll see you on the next one.